things first today. Quick shout out to Evil Twin X for the inspiration to install a small gadget measuring primarily, for me anyway, the temperature in here. I'm often whining about how hot it is, so I thought I'd get empirical proof. It was 58 degrees when I started this morning, and it's midsummer. Wow. Anyway, it's a cool day today for smithing, so I'm pleased with that. And for my next trick, as they say, magic circles, I'm going to try and get a marble inside a circle of steel. First job is to punch a round hole in the end of here. Plate I've got really. Shouldn't be square, but it's smaller than, I think it's smaller than the Hardy hole. No! Not very good at this, am I? Plate to do this song, but I haven't got one, so I'm just going to do what I can here. Ooh, it's hot, 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 hot. What it's got to be is big enough to go over the horn on the Vic. I think it just about is now. Just about. It's off centre. I don't know how well this is going to work, if at all. Pretty ugly, isn't it? circular. Nowhere near big enough yet. Over the earth. It's pretty close, that is. Oh, whoops. I think that might go on now. There you have it. So I can't get that out. They're not quite in the middle. First attempt though. First attempt. Gap there. Little gap there. What a bit of fun. What a bit of fun that was. Yay! I'm trying to start a competition, but I'm giving up now because I've run out of coke and I've done what I wanted to do today. It's about 12 o'clock. I started about 7 and it's come to 90.5 degrees in here. It's a cool day outside, but I expect it will get a lot warmer than this in the future. There we go.